Pepperl+Fuchs has an extensive line of completely customizable control units that provide maximum protection and efficiency in application environments that require hazardous area and explosion protection. Check out Galco.com for our selection of their LRP Series, LRS Series, and PM Series. Each series is available in EXE and EXTB explosion protection, has IP66 degree of protection, is suitable for installation in ATEX IECEx Zones 1, 21, and 2 and 22 applications and environments, and is equipped with a variety of control functions such as push buttons, LED indicators, control switches, potentiometers, and ammeters. Each series has unique features and customizability options that can be tailored to your exact protection needs. The LRP series features highly flexible control units made from durable yet lightweight polyamide and allows up to 5 operators per enclosure and has a max operating voltage of 400 volts. The series is EXDB-EB, EXIB, and EXTB certified for use in explosion-hazardous areas. Operators, cable entry quantities, and cable gland types can be customized per specification. The LRS series comprises control units made from stainless steel and can hold up to 4 operators per enclosure and a maximum operating voltage of 250 volts. It is EXDB-EB, EXIB, and EXTB certified for use in explosion-hazardous areas, and here as well, operators, contact modules, and cable gland types can be customized per specification. Each component in the PM series is EXDE, EXTB, and full equipment certified for panel installation. Due to the use of durable and high-quality materials, these components can be used in ambient temperatures between -40 and 50 degrees Celsius. So whether you are looking for individual components like the PM series or a customizable control unit solution with the LRP or LRS series, Pepperl+Fuchs and Galco can create a configuration that maximizes space and keeps you protected in hazardous areas. For more information on these customizable control unit solutions from Pepperl+Fuchs, visit us at Galco.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Galco TV so you can be notified when new videos are posted.